Hello and welcome to News X Auto. My name is Shiraz and today I've got the headlight video of the Skoda Slavia, and I am using the phone that I received today, the Realme Narzo N61, and I am also including the GoPro footage as well. Okay, in fact I decided that right now, of course, I'm recording and you guys are seeing the video that has been slightly edited, and so I am thinking to put one footage, either the phones or the GoPros, or perhaps right now you are actually watching both the footages. And yeah, so right now the DRLs are on, and that's the main headlight. The headlights are fantastic. Okay, that's the low beam, and I'll switch the fogs on as well. Now you cannot switch the fogs on independently. That basically means you cannot put only the fogs on. Okay, so the fogs will only work with the headlights, and I hope you are able to see. Fogs off, fogs on, fogs off, fogs on. Okay, now let's drive. High beam. Well, the headlights are indeed brilliant. Oh, let me check the headlight leveler as well. Okay, here it is. I hope you can see that. Perhaps not, but let me. So this is at its lowest, this is at its furthest, and high beam. Someone is approaching, so we'll switch over to low beam. And you'll also get a good idea about the cabin's insulation, the NVH levels, which are actually pretty fantastic as well. Wow, look at that. See how the road, that's how the road looks. thankfully not completely washing away under the LED street lights. Yeah, so guys, I hope you got a good idea about the Skoda Slavia's headlights, and please do hit that like button, and do leave a comment, and do subscribe if you haven't already, and I shall see you soon in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.